Okay, I'm on the St. Elizabeth in Ketchikan, Alaska. I'm going to show how accessible it is. We had a very nice tour, and I was able to get on and off in my Whill C2. And even with people sitting in here, you can see I could still come through. A wide wheelchair might be a different story, but this works really well. Like there's a regular restroom there, but if you turn this way and go this way, you can get into the restroom right here. Oh, and here's the accessible restroom, and I was able to use it during our little tour today. It's a small scooter like this can get in, a long scooter couldn't, but I could climb all the way into the restroom, and I can come back out, and I was able to get in there with my scooter and climb over the front of my scooter to get out. Anyway, that was very nice. And we had some nice food, snacks. It's true. They had to use a special, they're not docking where they normally dock. Where they normally dock, you can just roll right on. But they weren't able to dock there for some reason, so they have an extra ramp they add for me to come and go.
Oh, I'm here to say, she turned it around right here and Jack back there, so she can make that turn. Nimble.
Yeah, this is well the move, Ken. I'm going to go that way and get it from that side.
Right,
It's that side.
Four-wheel drive, okay?
Yeah. I think I need to come this way, maybe. Try it.
You know, you can't make that. Oh, you can make that turn.
But here, take the. Oh, you need to take the camera.
You're good.
All right, watch your arms there.
Yeah.
Don't want to get you hung up.
Be careful, the back wheels.
Yeah, I need to back up a little bit and go on.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it would have been better from coming that way, I think.
Wheels.
Yeah.
Oops. It'll go up and down a couple inches. Go this way. Watch the foot one, Ken. Tell
Yeah,
me.
you're good. Keep going a little bit more straight now. Come back to, there you go. Back up a little more left.
Okay. My knees get in the way.
Yes, and I got.
Yeah, look here. Look at like a champ.